Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In my previous video, I was showing you how Zilliqa is about to break a very big falling wedge pattern, and right now you can see that it is breaking out this wedge. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the links for the trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to visit that report or open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, then you just need to open that trading signal. For example, this is the trade signal for streamer, and when you will click on the link, it will take you to the trading views chart, and there is a play button available on the chart. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone, and in this case you can see it rallied beyond the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence. Here you can see it slightly moved up in the sell target zone. Now let me take you to Zilliqa's weekly time frame chart, and here we have been following this previous falling wedge. By the way, we were following in this way. When we broke out the previous falling wedge, we had a nice pump and got rejected by the 23 cents resistance. And after this drop, you can see that the price line is following the same resistance line. And now recently, you can see it is slightly moved up than this resistance. And for example, if we will have the weekly closing above this resistance on this weekly time frame chart, that will be the first signal that now we have broken out the resistance for this falling wedge pattern. Now at the same time, you can see it is struggling to break out a very strong key resistance of 2.9 cents as well. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see it has broken out the resistance of this big wedge, but still struggling to break out this resistance of 2.9 cents as well. Therefore, we also need to break out this key resistance of 2.9 cents that had been working previously as a support here for several weeks or months. And before that, you can see for several months or years, it has been working as a very strong resistance. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here Zilliqa has formed a rising wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame, and now it has again dropped at the support of this rising wedge pattern. And now the movement of Zilliqa is quite squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. Therefore, soon it can break this pattern. And for example, if the price line breaks down the support, then our target to the downside, a move to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 2.2 cents. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, our move to the upside can be 3.6 or 3.7 cents. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down the support and move down at this support of 2.2 cents, then it is showing us the projection inside this big falling wedge pattern. But it is also possible, because we are already moving above this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, that the price line may retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support and then start the next reversal move from here. And in case of breaking out, you can see it is showing us the projection here at 3.699 cents. That is very high from this big resistance of 2.9 cents, and in that situation we can easily break out this next key resistance as well. And the final target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 23 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.